Okay, families, today I wanted to show you how you can also log in to Epic. Epic has the blue background with the letters EPIC with the exclamation mark. That's what you'll choose. That's what your child will choose. Our class will pop up if you've already logged in before, but if you haven't logged in before, our class code, it's the student login, our class code is UHE1783. Click go, and your child will have to find their name. I will log in as Mrs. H. Your child will not have a password. I do have a password on mine. And then it's going to take them into what we want. There's some reading options, but what I want your child to do is they're going to click on mailbox with the little bell, and it has some books that I want them to be reading. You click that link and all these books will pop up. I want them to read these books on their own. We are reading these books together in class. I want them to be so familiar with these books. Almost all of them have a read to me option, so they can choose it. Whoops, there went my iPad. They can choose it, and it will read to them. Let me turn my volume up.
Performed by Jeff Gerner. Harry was a white dog with black spots who liked.
So I want you guys to also get logged into Epic with your child.